Alright, here we are on lesson 8, summarizing a distribution using a box plot. So today we're going to use our medians and our quartiles to create a box plot for a given set of data. So a box plot is pretty much a graph of a distribution shaped by a rectangle. The end line segments mark the minimum and maximum values, and then the median, first quartile, and third quartile are marked by lines parallel to the ends. So if we look at the opening exercise, they give us a dot plot, and it estimates the times it took students in Mr. Smith's class to get to school one morning. So first what I want to do is I just want to list out our data so we have a nice list to look at. So we have 1, 2, 3, we've got 4 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, we've got a 7 and 2 8s, so 7, 8, 8, 2 10s, 2, we've got, let's see, 4 12s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 15s, 1, 2, 3, 4, we've got, let's see, 2 22s, 2, we got 3 25s, 1, 2, 3, I'm going to move down here, ran out of room, 2 30s, a 35, a 45, and a 60. Go down there. So first, how many data points are there? So if you count them up, which I know you can all do, you would get that there are 27 data points. So now the first question is, what's the median? So if we think back and we do 27 divided by 2, we would get 13.5. So our 14th value is our median. So I'm going to count in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this 12 here, the last 12 before the 15, should be your median. Actually, I'm going to take that back. We have one too many 5s on our list. I keep telling you, my eyes aren't that good. Stats. We only need 4 5s. So go ahead and erase a 5. And I'm going to fix this 12 here. So I'm going to put the 12 back here. So actually our 14th number would be this 15 here. That is our median. So 15 is our median. Sorry about that. So make sure you change your number line a little bit. Now it says draw a vertical line just above the median on the numbered line below. Alright, so we said our median was 15, so I'm going to put a vertical line right here above our 15. Find the lower quartile Q1 and draw a vertical line just above it on the number line. So now remember, lower quartile is the bottom half, so I cannot count this 15 anymore, so I'm going to kind of box it off. So now here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 numbers. So if I do 13 divided by 2, I get 6.5. So my 7th value would be my Q1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our Q1 is 8. And let's just do our Q3 while we're up here. So same thing, our 7th number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our Q3 is 25. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here. I'm going to mark now. Our Q1 is at 8, so that would be about here. And then our Q3 is at 25, which would be here. So I'm going to connect these. This is the box part of our box plot. Alright, so this is our Q1, label that. This is our median, I'm going to put an M, and this is our Q3. And now our last 2 points are our minimum and our maximum. So our minimum value from our data list was 5. These get dots. So 5, I'm going to connect it in. And then our maximum was 60, so all the way down here. And I'm going to connect that to our box. So then label this as well. This is your max, and this is your min down here. Okay, and that is your box plot. Alright, so go ahead and flip the page. I says you've just created a box plot of the data. What fraction of the data points would be included in each section of the rectangle? So we talked about quartiles in a different lesson. We know that would be 1/4 of the values. And J says, what don't you see on the box plot that you would see on the dot plot? Well, you can tell by looking at the box plot, we don't see all the data points anymore. We just see the important ones. So you can say that you don't see all the data points on a box plot. Okay. So example 1 here, use the given number line to make a dot plot and a box plot. So first what we're going to do is we're going to check out our numbers. They're all in order. That's so nice. So we're going to go ahead and plot these. So we've got, let's see, we've got a 20, we've got a 21, a 25, 31, 35, 38, 40, 42, and 44. So no repeats in this one. Alright, so now they want us to create the box plot. So if we look, and we can fill in the bottom first, so they ask what's the lowest value? That's 20. What's the highest value? That was 44, and now we need to find the median. So the median, if you count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values. So for that median, we would do 9 divided by 2, which is 4.5, so the 5th value would be our median. So if we count in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 35, which I circled, would be our median. And now we need to find our upper and our lower quartiles. So if you look at our list up here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know then that our Q1 is going to be in between 21 and 25. So I'm going to do it right here, Q1. So we're going to have to find the average, so 21 plus 25 divided by 2. So our Q1 would be 23. And then if we do our Q3, same thing, it's going to be right in the middle, but this one looks a little nicer. It's going to be right in between 40 and 42, so it would be 41. So fill that in. Lower quartile, 23. Upper quartile, 41. So now we just need to fill in our box plot. So I'm going to start with the median, which was 35. Our lower quartile was 23, so about there. And our upper quartile was 41. So here is the box part. Now we need to do our min and our max. So our lowest value was 20. Connect that in. And our maximum was 44. Connect that in, and there is our box plot. Okay. If you go to the next page, so here they gave you a box plot. So what I want you to do on your own is to just answer the questions using the box plot. So I want you to do this part on your own. Don't worry about part F. And then don't worry about part F right now. We'll do that much in class together. So if you just do A through E on your own, and then we'll do part F together in class tomorrow.